Release and return to center. Open the arms wide with the elbows bent and shoulder height, rotating the palms away. Bring the palms and forearms to touch. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With the inhale, open the arms wide, palms facing away, stretching across the chest. And on the exhale, bring the forearms and palms together, shoulder height, stretching across the upper back. Transitioning into eagle arms, reach the arms forward, palms facing down. Scoop the right arm under the left, bend the elbows, with the backs of the hands facing each other, or if space allows, press the palms together. Send the arm bones forward, fingertips point to the sky, stretching across the upper back. Unwind the arms and repeat to the opposite side. Scoop the left arm under the right, bending the elbows. Fingertips point to the sky, lifting the arm bones vertical. Continue with the backs of the hands facing each other, or if space allows, press the palms together. Breathe into the back of the heart, lifting the ribs out of the waist, feeling the back of the neck long, chin level with the earth. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw the right knee in towards the chest. With the right hand to the right knee, begin to circle the right knee open for an external hip rotation, waking up the hip. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation. Release and repeat to the opposite side. With the left hand to the left knee, begin to circle the left knee open for an external hip rotation. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, waking up the hip joint. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw the right knee in towards the chest, lengthening the spine. Exhale, draw the forehead towards the knee, rounding the spine. Continue moving at your own pace. With each inhale, lengthen, drawing the shoulders away from the ears. And with each exhale, draw the knee in closer, sending the point between the shoulder blades back, rounding the spine, stretching across the upper back. Pausing and upright, re-lengthen the spine. Use the left hand to clasp the right knee, gently rotating the torso to the right, reaching the right arm back and open to the right, with the elbow bent, or extending the arm towards straight, reaching through the fingertips. Maintain the hips facing forward, rotating from the navel, ribs, and chest, lengthening from the base of the spine upward. Unwind and place the right ankle over the left thigh, keeping the right foot lightly flexed and in line with the right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing the right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp the hands beneath the chair and lengthen the torso forward out over the legs, folding from the hip creases. Stay connected to your breath, adjusting subtly in and out to find where you have the most ease and freedom of movement, and breathing wide into the outer right hip. Inhale, lift the torso to upright, keeping the right foot where it is. Draw the right knee in closer, using the left hand to clasp, gently rotating the torso to the right. Keep the sternum lifting and the spine long, using the right hand behind you for support. Exhale to unwind and release. Repeating this sequence to the opposite side. Draw the left knee in towards the chest, lengthening the spine. Exhale, round the spine, forehead towards the knee. Continue moving at your own pace. With each inhale, lengthen, drawing the shoulders away from the ears. And with each exhale, draw the knee in closer, rounding the spine, coiling the navel back, forehead towards the knee. Pausing and upright, lengthening the spine. Use the right hand to clasp the left knee, gently rotating the torso to the left. Reach the left arm back and open to the left, bending at the elbow or extending the arm towards straight, reaching through the fingertips. Exhale to unwind. Place the left ankle over the right thigh, keeping the left foot lightly flexed and in line with the left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing the left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp the hands beneath the chair and lengthen the torso forward out over the legs, folding from the hip creases, breathing wide into the outer left hip. Inhale, lift the torso to upright, keeping the left foot where it is. Draw the left leg in closer, using the right hand to clasp. Rotate the torso to the left, using the left hand behind you for support, as you continue to lengthen from the base of the spine upward, stretching through the left outer thigh and hip. Exhale to unwind and release, returning to center. Exploring a modified seated forward bend, extend the right leg forward, placing the hands to the left thigh for support. Lengthen the torso forward out over the legs, folding from the hip creases, keeping the right leg active by flexing through the heel. Inhale, lift the torso to upright and repeat to the opposite side. Extend the left leg, placing the hands to the right thigh for support. Keep the spine long as you lengthen the torso forward, folding from the hip creases, rotating the upper thighs inward slightly. With each inhale, lengthen the spine, and with each exhale, gently folding deeper. Inhale, lift the torso to upright and release, returning to center. Transitioning into modified eagle pose, reach the arms forward, palms facing down. Scoop the right arm under the left, Bending the elbows with the backs of the hands facing each other, or if space allows, press the palms together. Cross the right leg over the left, squeezing the thigh bones together as you continue to lift the ribs up and out of the waist, feeling the back of the neck long, chin level with the earth. Unwind the legs and arms and repeat modified eagle pose to the opposite side. Scoop the left arm under the right with the backs of the hands facing each other, or if space allows, press the palms together. Cross the left leg over the right, squeezing the thigh bones together, sitting tall, feeling the spine vertical, growing out of the pelvis while lightly lifting through the lower belly. Stay connected to the breath as you send the arm bones forward, breathing wide into the back of the heart. Unwind the legs and arms and return to center.
Now that was good.
Are you enjoying the benefits of Happy Yoga? Now you can lengthen, strengthen, and tone your body with your own Happy Chair Yoga DVD. In each DVD, Sarah guides you through a modified yoga practice, using a chair for support, providing you with an easy entrance into a gentle yoga practice, all while featuring the beauty of Mother Nature. Receive yoga's rejuvenating benefits as you relax and tone your body. Increase flexibility, improve your breathing habits and posture, while enhancing your overall well-being. Enjoy a yoga practice that is invigorating, fun, and accessible, but most of all, effective. Order your copy today.